What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy, and today I'm going to be trimming a little fat off the Porsche because me and Brody are going to go off-roading this weekend. We're definitely going to film that. So I need some more ground clearance on this thing, so I'm going to be trimming some excess bumpers on it to try to get me more clearance. So I'm going to try to take off this lower bumper cover and these little mud guards right there, and this front lower piece, so that way we can get some good ground clearance. Alright guys, just finished up the rear end, and there you have it. We got so much more clearance now. It's ridiculous. The only thing hanging down low now is the hitch right there, which I mean they can't do anything about. It's actually welded to the frame of the car. This is everything I took out. It was quite a bit. Actually, it wasn't too difficult. These are all just clip tabs. But yeah, I took out both lower balances on this rear bumper and got it exposed nicely. Yeah, look at that side profile view. Alright, time to turn around the car and do the front bumper now. Alright guys, all done trimming up. The front was actually a lot easier. I didn't want to take off the whole entire front bumper because there was a lot more to do and I wasn't taking off quite as much. So I just took off the lower valance right there to give me a little bit more extra ground clearance. I didn't go the double valance right here because I wanted to retain my fog lights for now. But yeah, I think it turned out good. Got some good ground clearance, and like I said, me and Brody are gonna test it this weekend. I think we're going up to Rainbow Falls. But yeah, I found out I'm actually able to take off my rear hitch, so I might do that because I don't tow a whole lot. But I mean, that's for a future decision. But for now, I think it's all good to go. And stay tuned for future videos. I'm continuing to build this into an off-road beast. I think what's next is a roof rack. I'll show you guys how I'm exactly doing that, how I'm building it, where I'm getting my stuff from. I'll link everything down. But yeah guys, that was a quick, easy, maybe took me an hour to do everything, so it wasn't too bad. I'll list all the tools that I needed down below. Yeah guys, like and subscribe and follow for some more content on this guy. Thanks guys.